Committed a crime and committing a crime
and her
to do a crime.
Sir, and her suspicion was that you were armed, okay, and she's asking you for your ID.
Well, now
okay?
she has verified that I am not armed.
Okay.
So there is no
Do you have
problem.
your ID or not?
I do have my ID,
okay.
but you don't need it.
Okay, either your ID or you're going to get the change. Okay? You deserve. You deserve.
You can't fix stupid. Stupid is forever.
You deserve.
7777. 77 Whiskey Michael 10.
Where's your wallet at, sir?
I don't have a wallet on me.
Okay, where's your ID?
Where's your ID
in my
at?
pocket.
Which pocket?
You're not allowed to search me.
It's in this pocket.
There you go.
Thank you.
I want your names and badge numbers.
Preferably. Sir, are you legally blind?
I had to walk up here in the dark for jury duty, which was canceled.
Why don't you?
Great. All right, Mr. Hodges. Was that hard?
It's gonna be. I want your name and your badge number.
You know, I put him in jail for resisting.
Are you stupid or something? I'm as stupid as a stupid does.
Your name and badge number.
Saturday's on.
Kind of give me work already this morning?
Yeah.